All right, Miss Sierra, you ready? Come on into your new home, girl. What you think?
It's a miracle, to be honest. I'm still in shock.
Well, a lot of people came together to help you get this, honey. And I don't know if you've noticed yet, but you're behind your sofa there. That thing behind the sofa pulls down. That's a queen-size Murphy bed. So you got a bed that'll lay down when you pull the sofa out here. The sofa will pull out and that'll lay down, and you've got a full-size bed to sleep on. And then come on in and look around. I'm gonna try to. No, you're good. I'm gonna try to get out of your way.
Oh, I have an oven.
Get over here.
I have an oven.
You have an oven?
Oh my gosh.
Yep. Refrigerator.
My house. That's. Oh my god. That's a really nice size.
And if you open that door behind you, hun, there's your bathroom.
Oh wow. It has a bathtub.
Yep.
Oh my god, it has a bathtub. It has a bathtub. It has a bathtub.
So do you think this might do the trick for you for a little while, hun?
Yes. Yes.
Well, we are so happy for you. And we're so very glad.
Oh, I'm so appreciative.
Oh, I know you are, darling. And I know you're appreciative, but we're not doing that for that reason. We want you to be warm and healthy and happy. And we're going to give you a few minutes to take everything in, and I'm going to sit down and ask you a couple questions about where you were and what happened before you were able to get in here. But this is your new home, honey. And you're welcome home.
Sorry, my breath's a little bit taken away.
That's all right. Okay, Sheila, so honey, tell us your story and what happened. And I know that your FEMA thing was going to run out December the 1st to the 3rd. So if you hadn't got this camper, where would you have been?
Sleeping in my storm heavily damaged car.
Okay.
In the back of the car.
Okay.
Wasn't looking forward to it, you know, but
it is what it is.
It is what it is.
We gotta do what we gotta do. Well, there's a lot of people that came together to make this happen for you, and I so appreciate you being willing to talk to us, because it lets them know that what they're doing is actually helping another person. And I was so encouraged by your story, because when I said, did you notice you have a TV? And you said, what to me?
I don't even remember.
Oh, you were telling me you're going to use it to do school online?
Oh, the TV. Yeah, when the store happened, I literally had the next 3-4 years planned out completely. I had already been accepted to a university program specifically for people who were disabled like me. I was set to move into my apartment. I literally had my entire life planned. Mm-hmm. And then the storm happened, and I lost. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
And I lost everything all over again. You know, the classes are closed indefinitely. They have no idea when they're going to start up again. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to have to go back in line, start looking for something else, because I don't want to be on disability, you know, for the rest of my life. Mm-hmm. So.
But at least you're blessed to have it right now.
Yeah.
And you've got people surrounding you that are going to help you with other things after we leave today. And so, we just want you to be happy and healthy. And we're so glad that we were able to get this together for you. And I hope that we're going to make one more trip up close to Christmas. And so I hope when we come back next time, we'll be able to come and do a follow-up with you. And just see how you're doing, and see, if there's anything else you guys need. And I know you're going to be living here with your puppy. And what's his name?
River. I named him after 2 characters from Firefly.
Okay.
River Reynolds.
River Reynolds. Well, I met River, and he's a doll baby. He's a big old sweet doll baby. So I hope the two of you be very happy here. This community that they put your camper in is very close knit, and I've already had 3 people. When's she coming? When's she coming? We want to meet her. So I think that, you know, it's going to be a good place for you.
Thank you so
and
much.
We're praying that everything just goes your way from now on out, and we're going to stay in touch, and we just are happy for you, and we just want you to know we love you, and we're wishing you nothing but the best.
Honestly, thank you will never, ever be enough. I was even telling her, you know, if it wasn't for this, I honestly don't know how I would have survived the next month, let alone the whole winter.
And that's one of the reasons why you were at the top of the list. So we're glad that everything worked out in your favor, and we're Christians and we believe, so we've been praying for that for you too. So
Thank you so much.
We love you to pieces.
Miss Sarah, here's the keys to your new home. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Well, guys, we woke up to snow this morning, which was a little bit of a surprise here. But it just goes to show that we got Miss Sierra in her camper just in the nick of time yesterday. So we've got a few more places we've got to go to today and talk to people, and then we're heading back home. But it's definitely snowing in the mountains, so we'll talk to you soon.